Hi everyone, I've got a Ford Tourneo here. Just going to do a pollen filter on this. I've already done the air filter, the oil and the oil filter. Now with this one, this is a front wheel drive. It's got a yellow dipstick, so it takes 9.8 litres. And just going to show you where the location is for the cabin filter. Location of the cabin filter is through here, so you got to take the glove compartment out of the way. So just show you where the lugs are. At the moment this has got some stuff in here, but that's out. And then push this side in as well, so the whole thing comes down. And on the inside, I'm just going to grab a light. Right, on the inside there, this is where the cabin filter goes. Now to undo it, you've got to undo it from the other side. So push the clip in, take the whole thing out. And for the glove compartment, you've got to push these in, the top bit here. So if you push it in, and it will just come out the lugs. So take the filter out. Sometimes you get a bit tricky. Okay, that's the filter. Now the new filter needs to go the way it just comes out. Now you've got the arrow pointing down, so when you get the new one in, just slot it in, put the cover back on, push the glove compartment in, and that's it, job done. Thank you very much. Goodbye.